Hello, my name is Amirul Haikal bin Anizam and my matrix number is F21A1052, and now I'm going to perform chi-square test using Excel. So we got our observed value but we don't have our expected value, so that is what we're going to look for. How to get our expected value? Equal to column total multiply by row total divided by the sum, and we're going to get, this is going to be our expected value. So we're going to do the same for the rest of the empty box. So okay, now we already have all the expected value. So what are we going to do now is we are going to look for the p-value. We type in equal and key in chi test. So we're going to need to fill the observed value and the expected value, and this is our p-value. Since our p-value is more than 0.05, so do not reject HO. There is no relationship between the shift and the quality. That's it from me. Thank you.